The time has come to cut those cords. From Simco Ion, the leader in static control technology, comes cutting-edge innovation. Each hub provides power and communication for up to 4 devices. No separate network or IP addresses are required, keeping your manufacturing secure and hassle-free. Do you have an impressively large facility? Are you worried about distance? Don't be. The present is wireless for so many elements of our day-to-day. Why wouldn't the future be wireless for your static control devices? With the Simco Ion IQ Power Wireless Link, it's time to make your static protection future-proof.